Today, I'll show you how to change the language on your Xbox Series X. So all you have to do is power on your console, and then from this homepage, select the settings icon in the menu on the top of the screen. So select that. And then within the settings, scroll down and select system. Choose that. And then scroll down and select language and location. So select that. And then under the language and location settings, you'll see the first option being language. So choose the language and then choose the language that you desire. So let's say, for example, if I want French, so select French. And then once done, exit. And then you'll be prompted to restart your console so that the changes will be applied. So select the first option. So select that. And your console will restart to apply the settings. So that's basically it on how to change the language on your Xbox Series X. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.